Welcome to Cooking Life with Des. Ito na naman po ang inyong cook na mayabang ngunit hindi mayaman. Today, magluluto tayo ng curry or Kadhi Pakora. We need 1 kilo of plain yogurt, 1 cup of baisan or chickpeas powder, and blend them together. Tapos nating ma-blend ang syrup, ilalagay natin ngayon ito sa isang malinis at malaking kaldero. Lalagyan natin ng 2 pitsil na tubig at pagkatapos ay haluin ito. At ilagay ang mga ingredients. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, depends on your preference, and 2 teaspoon of salt. It's also up to you if how much salty do you want. Then mix it well. Bring it on fire and cover it half. Don't cover it full to avoid overflowing. And then let it boil until the water got less or it got low. Set the fire in a medium flame. Let it boil for 15 to 30 minutes and check it time to time and mix it as well. While boiling the mixture, heat the frying pan and add half kilo of cooking oil. Here I cut 1 medium size of onion, 1 medium size of potato. After 1 hour, here's the mixture. If you notice, it got less or low, but this is not yet done. So we have to boil it for another 30 minutes in a medium flame. Let us start cooking pakora. We need 2 cups of baisan or chickpeas flour, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda will make the pakora soft and crunchy. 1 teaspoon of zira seeds and half teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric. It's up to you. 1 teaspoon of salt. It's up to you also if how much do you want it to be salty. And 1 cup of water. Add water gradually. Don't add it at once.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
After 30 minutes, now the mixture is ready. So I'll be adding here bay leaf since I don't have curry or curry leaves. Let us start frying the pakora. Fry it in a low fire.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Turn them every 1 minute to make sure that they are equally cooked in a low fire. Wait until it got a bit dark brown or golden brown. Alright, so just like this. Now it is cooked, so let us remove using the drainer and put it directly to the mixture. Repeat the same procedure to the remaining pakoras until it got all cooked and mixed to the mixture. Now it's all done and let us mix it well. Now cover it and let it boil for another 10 minutes in a very low fire. While boiling it, let us go to the final touch. On the frying pan, add 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Add 2 teaspoons of zira seeds and then fry it. Then add 12 pieces of dry red chili. It's up to you if how many do you want, depends on your preference. Fry them and after frying them, turn off the fire and add it to the curry or Kadhi Pakora that we made. Now here it is, it's already cooked, and then let us add those fried zira seeds and chili just like this. Now it's ready for eating. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a great day.